A great golden wheel turns in the sky, inscribed with Hebrew letters spelling YHWH, and the alchemical symbols for the elements. Around it rise a serpent, a winged jackal, and a sphinx crowned with a sword. In the four corners sit the winged bull, lion, eagle, and angel, each reading a book of wisdom. The Wheel of Fortune is the law of cycles, change, destiny, karma, and the shifting seasons of existence. The wheel itself is the central symbol. Ever turning, it represents the unfolding of fate and the impermanence of all conditions. Its outer rim contains the letters T-A-R-O, R-O-T-A, O-R-A-T, suggesting the wheel speaks, the law turns, and tarot as the language of cosmic rhythm. Within the wheel are elemental glyphs showing that all aspects of life participate in its cycles. The message, nothing stays fixed, everything rotates through rise and fall and renewal. The serpent descending on the left is the first supporting symbol. Often linked to Typhon, or the force of entropy, it represents the downward motion of the cycle, release, dissolution, and the fall of forms. It is the energy of change that strips away that which has been completed for its purpose. The second symbol is Anubis, or Hermanubis, rising on the right. As a psychopomp and guide of souls, he represents ascent, evolution, and the upward phase of the cycle. His movement shows that even as one aspect declines, another rises. The wheel contains both directions at once. The third supporting symbol is the Sphinx atop the wheel, crowned and holding a sword. She embodies enigma, equilibrium, and the still point at the center of motion. While everything turns, she remains composed, intelligence that comprehends the pattern without being thrown by it. Her sword represents discernment, the clarity that sees through illusion to the deeper order. The fourth symbol is the four winged figures in the corners, the angel, lion, bull, and eagle, corresponding to Aquarius, Leo, Taurus, and Scorpio, air, fire, earth, and water, and the four evangelists. Each reads a book signifying wisdom that transcends change. They represent stability within movement, the eternal principles that remain constant as circumstances shift. The fifth symbol is the sky itself, calm and blue despite the wheel's motion. It represents the larger field of consciousness in which change occurs. The sky reminds us that while fate moves, awareness can remain steady. Together, these symbols reveal a world governed by rhythm, ascent and descent, order and disorder, creation and release. The wheel teaches acceptance of impermanence and participation in change with clarity rather than fear. In readings, the Wheel of Fortune signifies turning points, destiny, synchronicity, luck, karmic cycles, and events beyond one's personal control. It heralds change, often sudden, and asks for adaptability, trust, and alignment with larger forces. Its counsel: center yourself like the Sphinx, let what rises rise, and what falls fall. The wheel teaches that life moves in cycles, and that wisdom is the art of aligning with that turning.